In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can equip multiple accessories here in Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Begin by opening up Roblox in your browser specifically and go ahead and select avatar over on this left hand sidebar. It's going to take you to a section that looks something like this. Go ahead and navigate over to the accessories tab, and then from here you're going to want to choose things like head accessories, face, neck, shoulders, front, back, waist, or gear. It doesn't necessarily matter. Essentially find whatever accessory you want to equip. For example, let's just go ahead and open up these ones right here. If you see any accessories that you currently own, just right click on it and open it in a new tab. And you're going to want to do this with every accessory you want to wear at the exact same time. So for example, these two right here, some black to white fluffy messy hair and some flaming blue tactical sunglasses, right? Essentially open this up, and what you're going to want to do is obviously go ahead and make sure that you have it purchased and copy the asset ID. You're going to want to do this by looking up at the URL, and the asset ID is going to be these little numbers right here. So go ahead and select that just like so, and then copy it. And then go back to the main avatar page right here, and you're going to want to go to the advanced tab within it. You could do this just by selecting advanced just like so. And from here, all you have to do is just paste that asset ID in here and hit enter. Of course, I don't actually own this asset, but do that for both of the assets at the exact same time. Boom, enter, and then of course, if you own them, they'll automatically go on. It really is as simple as that. You can now wear multiple hats, multiple glasses, or even duplicate accessories at the exact same time. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.